let's talk something about gravity mysteries. So, what does gravity even mean? As we all probably have learned that the force of gravity is equals to the g times m1 m2 upon r square, where m1 and m2 denotes the masses of the two objects, whereas r is the distance between them, and g corresponds to the value of 6.67 times 10 to the power negative 11 Newton per kilogram square meter square. Okay, but this arises a question that, is gravity only a force, or something more than this? Well, let's find out. Well, as probably everyone must have heard the story of Newton's falling apple. Gravity behaves in the way Newton thought of it, as a force that affects and changes the motion of something else. Like someone, jumping, falling down a hill, throwing and bouncing balls. And even it can explain the planetary motion around the solar system. And all of these motions behave the same way as Newton thought of it, popularly known as the Newtonian law of gravitation. So, Newton's idea was simple and clear. Then, Einstein turned things upside down. And even that isn't the end of the story. The universal law of gravitation has been proven to apply only to small distances and heavy masses. Here examples of heavy masses are the solar system, and all the other bulky objects that we come up with in our day-to-day life. Okay, but one may ask what is wrong with it, and how one can say Newton's idea was inconsistent. Well, as the law has been proven to be applicable only upon larger objects. So, it becomes quite unpredictable to understand gravity when considering objects, or rather say, matters, which are smaller in size. Here smaller means we are dealing with the objects and matters which belongs to the range of atomic level. So here comes the Einstein's general theory of relativity. His general theory of relativity tells us that gravity is not quite that simple. General relativity provides a framework under which the laws of physics look the same for everyone at every moment, regardless of how they are moving. Einstein achieved this by making gravity a property of the universe, rather than of individual bodies. General relativity describes gravity as geometry, the fabric of the universe. The four dimensions of space and time is full of lumps and bumps created by the presence of mass and energy. This warping is unavoidable. Whenever anything, be it you, me, a piece of space dust, or a photon of light, tries to travel through the universe in a straight line, it actually follows a trajectory that is curved by any mass and energy in the vicinity. The result of this curvature is what we think of as gravity. To look at it a slightly different way, gravity is not what one body does directly to another, but what a body's mass and energy responds to the unbound fabric of space and time. So, that's what gravity is. I know that the general relativity was not that easy to take in. But, you must know that it was the concept given by the greatest mind ever in history. So, a little bit of trouble in understanding is normal. So, that's it friends. Now, we will meet you soon in the second episode of Gravity Mysteries, where we will know some more amazing things. Thanks for watching.